Do you love music? Who doesn't? Right? But what if I told you you can earn money while listening to your favorite songs? How amazing would that be? This right here is a PayPal payment I received for listening to music. And you can do it too from the comfort of your home or wherever you are in the world right now. All you will be needing is a phone or computer and to go over to. Hey there, welcome back. I am Stacy and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Now before I show you how I made $240 per day just by listening to music, go ahead, like and subscribe to the channel so I can show you exactly how to earn money online. It doesn't cost you anything and you can unsubscribe anytime. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. As you can see right over here, this is a PayPal payment that I received simply for listening to music. Now, results are not guaranteed. You may earn more than this, the same, or a little less. But I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the exact steps throughout this entire video, then results like this are definitely not going to be possible for you. So make sure to stick throughout the entire video and do not skip over any of the steps, and who knows, you might even find some Easter eggs along the way. Now, the 3 steps to earn $240 per day listening to music are: Step number 1. I'm going to reveal the #1 platform that is paying people like me and you to listen to music. In step number 2, I'm going to be showing you the 4 sites that will boost your earnings. So let's get right into it. Now this site right over here is paying people anywhere from £100 over £800. There's really no cap on how much you can earn here. 2,500 submissions means 2,500 songs. You're not going to listen to 2,500 songs in a day. Rather, you're going to get other people to listen to those songs, and you're going to get paid for it upwards of £800. Okay, now let's go ahead and, convert that over to US dollars, because obviously, if you're in the US or somewhere else, other than Britain, then obviously you don't know how much that is. So let's see how much 800 British pounds are. That comes out to be about $1,000. So $1,000 for just 2,500 submissions. That's pretty good, right? Now, I'm going to show you exactly what this means. The first thing you're going to need is a free Spotify account. So I found a way to get a free Spotify account. All you have to do is go over to Spotify.com, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So go ahead, create the playlist and put some of these songs on here. Maybe put a 20 to 30 songs on that playlist. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to log into the site that's going to pay us, which is musicgateway.com. Music curators get paid to listen to music. So not only do you get paid to listen, but you get paid to have a playlist that other people are listening to as well. So it's pretty cool. You earn regular money through submissions, and obviously people are getting paid from all around the world. As you can see, people are giving their testimonials on how they're earning. But basically, the bigger the playlist, you have the better chance, because that's more people listening and more earnings for you. So I'm going to show you how to get your playlist tons and tons of listeners. And you get 1 month of premium for absolutely free. And don't worry, in the next 30 days while you're on that free trial, you're going to start earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars from the method I'm about to show you. So sign up for Spotify if you don't already have it, and get a free account. Then you need to go to Spotify, make a playlist, and put some of the most popular music in there. So what I did here is, I searched for most famous songs in 2022. Now you can see a lot of popular artists here, but specifically popular songs right now that people are listening to. And you're going to piggyback off of that, because lots of people are going to listen to these songs and you're going to get paid for it. Now just make a playlist with these songs and get ready to make some quick cash. And then we're going to log into the site that's going to pay us, which is musicgateway.com. Now on this website, you don't only get paid to listen, but you also get paid to have a playlist that other people are listening to as well. You earn regular money through submissions. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you how to get your playlist massive and attract tons of listeners and make insane money. Now there's 4 specific sites that allow you to post your playlist for absolutely free. And these sites have millions upon millions of followers and monthly visitors. Now the very first site is called indiemono.com. Right here, as you can see, you can submit music to Indiemono playlist, a free submit system to be in our editorial selections. You can submit directly to them over here by pressing this button. After your submission, they are going to promote your playlist to their users for absolutely free. Now after this, the next site here is playlist.net. You can see other people's playlists here as well. Just click over here to submit your playlist and share it with millions of people. Now the third site, which is also my personal favorite, is soundplate.com. Here it says submit music for Spotify playlist. They have millions and millions of daily listeners, which will boost your playlist to the top. The last site here is called misfora.co. Now this is a newer site which will provide you a wide range of people with less competition. This is the best part about this website, as you might have a chance to go completely viral over here. This was another quick, simple, and easy video on making money. Hope you make a lot of money using this method. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.